Hello guys, I am Viraj Sharma. So I've come up with something really interesting, exciting and cool idea. And I'm making this video after a long time. So let me tell you what's the idea about. So I've used Python here to reconstruct and replicate the exact sound which is generated during cell phone broadcast of India emergency system. So this Python code basically replicates that, and it's meant for pranking people around you in public places. So let me tell you how does it. So let me show you how does it work. So here I've used sound device module, which will basically play the waveform in the speaker, and it's meant to interact the speaker hardware. And here I've used the NumPy module to basically generate the sound wave in numbers or voltages. And then here I've used time module for delays. And here I've used while true loop so that it keeps playing until you don't stop, and for infinite loop. And here I'm initializing the time, and here I'm initializing the timeline. One second. And here I am basically, and here I'm creating the timeline of the sound of the here I'm creating the number line between 0 to 1. And here I have 44,150 and where I have 44,150 numbers between 0 and 1. And here I've created the I'm creating the two sine waves. Let me tell you first how does India emergency system create sound. So it basically has the sine wave of 853 hertz, and the sine wave of 960 hertz. And then after that it does something special. It just sums two tensors of the or two waveforms together, and then after that it creates a very weird tone which is similar to Indian emergency systems. So here I am fixing my original code. And here I'm using Raspberry Pi so that I use more louder speakers, and then I can hide it anywhere very easily and prank people easily. So this is the core part of it where I am creating. So this is the core part of it, and this is the core part of it. So in the formula of sine wave, you basically create the time number line between 0 to 1, and how many frames do you want, and then after that you multiply it by pi value 2, and then the frequency, and then you basically sine it using np.sine, which will basically use the mathematical sine function to sine all the values of it, and then multiply it by 2 so that the amplitude increases and it creates more louder sound. And then after that I'm summing the two sine waves, and then after that it creates a proper emergency sound which is exactly similar to the Indian emergency. And here I've created the time delay 1 second so that after each 1 second it keeps playing the sound again. So here I've set the duration of 1 second, so the duration of sound is 1 second. So that's why it has 4000 for. That's why it has the sample rate. That's why it has the frame similar to the sample rate. Sample rate is basically that how many samples to play per second. So here I've defined the sample rate, and here I've defined the number of frames. So I am saving it. And here I've used the while true loop so that it keeps playing so that until the prankster does not stop it. Now let me show you a surprise. How will it play the sound? See. Now let me show you where is my Raspberry Pi lying down and from where the sound will come. So here is my Raspberry Pi with the two very loud speakers, and this is my Raspberry Pi in which the code is running. Let me show you the surprise. See, it generated the exact sound similar to the Indian emergency systems, and this is how to do it. Interesting, right? Cool. So keep watching my channel for more tech knowledge. Bye bye.